Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to select all of the text of your PDF file at once using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element, click this file option and select open, and you can select your folder and you can open your PDF file. Now simply click Ctrl A for your keyboard and see this, select all of this text. Now you can copy this text and you can paste this text word and see this, or other format. Also you can paste this text box, sorry, notepad, and so on. In this way, again see this, press Ctrl A simply from your keyboard and select all of this text. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.